Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all fine and well. Today I'm gonna give you a review about a temporary fix for your teeth. My problem was that a few days ago when I was eating, a small chip came off my molar tooth on the top. It just chipped or broke off and exposed my filling, and I can feel a little hole inside my molar tooth, which is right at the back on the top. And because I haven't been to the dentist, I don't have a dentist, and to get a dentist in UK, London, is very difficult, and the waiting list is, many months to see a dentist, unless it's a really emergency. With me, it doesn't hurt or anything, but I just want to do a filling, a quick fix. And here's the product. You can buy it from any local chemist or online. It doesn't cost that much. I think it's about £4, but it's been recommended by dentists and dental professionals as a quick fix, until you go to your dentist to have a proper treatment. But if you are going abroad, or you're abroad and something happens to your crown, the crown come off, this is a good stuff for that as well, and also a temporary filling if your filling has come off. So the very first thing is you need to wash your hands thoroughly, and once you wash your hands, you need to clean your teeth. Make sure there's no debris or any food stuck in the gums. So once you have brushed your teeth and rinse out, and you need to rinse your mouth with warm water. Then you apply this. Open this package. Don't throw the back. It's got all the instructions at the back. So a little spatula there, and there's a little thing. It's got the filling material. So you can see inside. This is the material filling. Yep. So you take a bit out. About this much. Like this. Just roll it into a ball. Roll it up into the ball, and you push it in the tree. It'll bite hard. Push it in as well. So when you've got the fillings inside, you have to push it in harder. And you need to bite hard for 2 minutes. Use your tongue to push it in a bit more. So when this is set, it will take minimum 2 hours. You shouldn't eat anything for 2 hours. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments, please do comment and share. As I say, this is a temporary fix. Save you having to go to emergency doctor. You only do this if there's no pain in your teeth, or your gums are not swollen or any infection. Then this is fine for you to do. But if you have an infection or your swollen gums, you must need to get an emergency doctor or dentist and get it checked out. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye bye. So guys,